Hi, boys and girls. In this episode, we look at learning how to use the dictionary. Our objectives: we should be able to identify the parts of a dictionary and use the dictionary to find meaning, pronunciation, and other spellings. Did you know that a dictionary did not only provide the definition of words? Well, before we begin to look at what other information the dictionary provides, let us play a dictionary game. Have you ever heard of the game called Sword in Hand? Play this game with some of your friends or classmates. How to play: select one person to say the words that the others will find. This person may choose some vocabulary words from science or social studies topics you have done or are currently doing in class. Each of the other players will get their dictionary ready and hold it by the spine. The caller will say sword in hand, and persons with their dictionaries will hold the dictionary above their heads. The caller will say the word and then say charge before they begin to search for the word. The first person to find the word and stands gets a chance to read the definition aloud. If they read the correct definition, they receive a point. If not, the caller moves on to the next words. You may play with two teams and make it more competitive and fun. Boys against girls. A dictionary does not only have words and meanings. There are other important features that help you to find words easily and pronounce the words correctly, among other useful information. Work with your friends or classmates who have dictionaries that differ from yours. Analyze the features of each of your dictionaries and make comparisons with the things you see on the pages of your dictionaries. Do they all have the same parts? What are some of the things besides the definitions that you observe in the dictionary? Why do you think these parts are important or helpful in building vocabulary? A dictionary is a book of words and their definitions. The words in a dictionary are arranged in alphabetical order. Apart from definitions, some dictionaries also have features or parts that help with vocabulary building and help you to find words more easily. Some of these parts include entry words. These are the words listed in the dictionary for which the definitions are provided. Guide words. These words are usually found at the top of each page. These show the first and last word on the pages. You can use these to help you quickly recognize whether the word you are looking for may be on that page. Part of speech. The part of speech is usually written next to the entry word. In some dictionaries, the part of speech is abbreviated. For example, if the word is an adjective, you may see adj instead of the word adjective. Multiple definitions. Some words have more than one meaning, and some dictionaries show some or all of these meanings. The definitions are usually numbered, and the part of speech of each definition is also given. Pronunciation guide. The dictionary also helps you to pronounce words. It usually provides a guide on how to say the vowels, syllables, and other speech sounds within a word. The dictionary can also help to show the origin of words. This means that it shows the language or root word from which the entry word was derived. The dictionary helps us with word forms. In some dictionaries, you may see other words that are formed from the entry word. These include showing the plural, adjective, noun, and other words formed from the entry word. Some dictionaries include pictures that show what is being defined or explained. These pictures give the reader a visual representation of the word, which helps you to understand the word much better. So let's look at parts of a dictionary entry. So we have the entry word here, mountain. We have the part of speech, so we know it's a noun. The first meaning is a large area of land that rises to a great height. Second meaning, a large pile or amount. Words with endings for different uses. We have mountain, noun, plural, mountains. Pronunciation here, mountain. Okay. Evaluate which dictionary part or feature is being described in each of the following. Shows how to say an entry word correctly. That would be the pronunciation guide. Shamoya opened her dictionary and reads words derived from the Greek, which means to take. She is reading the origin of the word. The first and last word on this page are evade and ever. That would be the guide words. The word for which the definition is being provided, that would be the entry. Javier read the definition of the words and then announced that he did not know the word was a noun. Which feature did he recognize? Part of speech. Here we go with activity 2. Use the guide words to say whether or not the entry word would be found on the page. So here we have the entry word and we have injury and inquire, and we must look at inhale. Would inhale fall between these two words? So INJ and INQ, would INH fall there or would it come before? So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, then I, then J. So this one would not. Let's look at fix. Would it fall between fish and flag? So FIS and FL. Fill it in. Kit between kindle and kink. Okay. Nose between normal and note. And finally, scar between save and scald. So in this episode, we looked at dictionary skills. We should be able to identify the parts of a dictionary and use the dictionary to find meaning, pronunciation, and other spellings. So let's go back to the parts of the dictionary. We have the entry word, the part of speech, first meaning, second meaning, words with endings for different uses, and a pronunciation guide. Take care. Do your activities. Please complete your activities and we'll see you in our next episode.